Okay guys, so call me crazy, call me stupid, but first explain something to me. When I go on the YouTube or Google, which are those two biggest search engines, and I will do a search on how to remove the ear wax from your ear, the best way, I'm gonna come up with one simple answer, and that is to use this. Hold on, I'll let you know in a minute, okay? So if I go on YouTube or Google and I'm gonna search how to clean my AirPods from the ear wax, I'm gonna come up with completely different answers. How is that possible? So I want to make a little video here, a little experimental video on how to clean the AirPods with this solution that every household already has. I am pretty sure 99% of households. Not this one, but this one. And you know what it is. Hello? I don't have to read it for you, right? So what I have here, this is the regular hydrogen peroxide that you're gonna find in CVS or Walmart or everywhere. It's a 3%. Okay, so you can use this one because I'm pretty sure you already have it. Or I have this one, which is 12%. Okay, hydrogen peroxide. And I just don't want to waste your time because the 3% will take a little bit longer and the 12% will take a little bit faster. So let's find out. I'm going to put a little bit in here, and I have to mention that this is probably at least 6 months old, or maybe more. Probably more than maybe 8, 9 months old. So this is not probably this is not probably, let me see, Best by 11 2023. Okay, so it's still good, but it's probably not 12%, but it might be right now, might be just 10%. Okay, so that's that. Now, since I've been using my earbuds, my right one mostly, so that one is gonna be the one, the dirtiest one, and it's not exactly. Be careful. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, it's dirty like that. Not too bad, right? But it's dirty. So anyway, what you want to do is hold it upside down, just like that. That screen that you put in your ear is right at the bottom here, and we are going to soak it with the hydrogen peroxide, 12%. Okay, now you don't want to put the 12% in your ear because that's gonna burn your ear. But I mean, I've seen some videos that people use 12% for the ears. I don't know, that's pretty strong. So let's just soak it up and let it work for a minute or two. Okay. Damn, I'm just so tempted to flip it upside down because it's going to be so much easier to get the peroxide on it, but it will actually soak into your headphone, and I mean the whatever you call these things, and that will probably destroy them. So you want to hold them upside down like this. So I think that's pretty good. I think we got it soaked nicely. Alright. And you want to twist the tip because as you can see it's accumulating at the bottom, and you're just going to let it work for a little bit. And you know, or maybe you don't know, but the older people know, if you're gonna put the peroxide in your ear, it will start bubbling and boiling, and it will pretty much dissolve the earwax. And in the meantime, while we're waiting for this to dissolve the earwax, we're gonna have a beer, or wine, or whatever your heart desire. Cheers! Okay. And it's working. Let me see, let me hear it bubbling. No, I cannot hear nothing. So let's give it a little more. I know it's gonna take some time to resolve these things, but you definitely don't want to flip it upside down. You just want to hold it like this and let it, you know, let it work its way up. If you flip it, it's going to get inside and it might destroy the electronics. Alright, so now I'm going to start cleaning this thing. Okay? So I'm going to take the Q-tip and let's see. Still hold it upside down. And that 12% peroxide works really fast and very good. So let's see how surprised I'm gonna be when I flip it over. Okay. I think this should be good. I mean, can you imagine if this works? And I don't know yet, this is my first time, okay? This is just my guess. If it works, it would have to be clean by now. And this is the 12%, so if you're going to use 3%, it might take a minute longer. Okay. So I'm going to just finish up. Maybe I should take a fresh Q-tip. But Q-tips are expensive. So you gotta be careful with those. Take it easy on the Q-tips, okay? Yeah. Alright. Now I'm gonna take it. Well, now I'm gonna take. Just want to make sure I'm gonna get in there. Now I'm gonna take a dry Q-tip and dry it off. Shake it off a little bit. Now dry it off with a Q-tip before you flip it. Okay, dry it around, dry it inside. And maybe I'm even overdoing this. I think it should take just 10 seconds just to pretty much get it wet, clean it up. I bet you in 10 seconds you will be done. Okay? Let's make sure it's dry. But again, since this is my first time, I might be overdoing it a little bit, but the hydrogen peroxide dissolve the earwax best. So let's see. How do we look? How do we look for the camera? I don't even know if this can focus on it, but you tell me. Isn't that like new. Okay? And I bet you I just overdone it. Let me see the other one. Well, this one is clean because I never use this one. I mean, never, but hardly ever. So, this one is clean, so I cannot really show you another one. But if you're gonna take this 12% peroxide, and you really don't have to, the 3% will work fine. If you're gonna spend the same time with the 3% peroxide as I did with the 12% on this, you're gonna be perfectly fine. 2-3 minutes, and it's gonna be clean, I guarantee you. Okay, and it's gonna. The thing is, you don't want to turn it this way because number one, all the junk will flow inside the earbud. Okay, I have seen a few videos on this, and everybody is cleaning it like that. No, you have to flip it upside down, so everything will just come out. Okay, that's the number one rule, and cheers to that, and good luck, and that's it.